In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enable caller ID on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch settings. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option apps. From the list of apps, find phone and launch it. Now navigate to the section calls. Under that, you're going to find the option show caller ID. Click on that. Now enable for this option. This will allow your phone number to show up when you make calls so the person on the other end can see who is calling. If you also want to share your photo and name along with your caller ID, you can adjust these settings as well. Though this part is optional, head back. Scroll up, you're gonna find the option share name and photo. Click on that and toggle on for this option. Keep in mind to see caller IDs from other people, they need to be your contacts. So make sure you have their contact information saved if you want to see their caller ID too. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.